Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Bing AI image generator. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So first thing that we need to do here is we need to access bing.com. Now in this case, you also need to log in into your Outlook account. So if you have a Microsoft account, click on the profile icon at the top right and just basically log in into your account. Now, once you log in, the next thing we want to do is we need to go to images. So at the top section here, you should see an images section. Go ahead and click on it. And under images, you should see a button that says create. So let's go ahead and click on create. Now, in the create page here, you'll be able to basically create AI images. So first thing that we want to do is we want to go ahead and make sure that we have our boost here. So you have a 99 boost for today. So you use your boost to create images more quickly. If you run out, image generation may take longer. So if you want to generate your images a lot faster, you might want to consider using your boost here. Now for now, let's go ahead and start creating our images. Like for example, I want to say a chicken flying. And from here, let's just click on create and it's going to start creating our image. So let's just wait for it to start creating. And as you can see, we have successfully created our image. So in this case, go ahead and select your image. Like for example, we want to go ahead and select this image. So also at the top right, you have this section here that says save to collection. So if you want to save this for another time, you could go ahead and use that. For now, let's just click on this image. Now in the image viewer here, you'll be able to basically share, save, download, and customize this image. So if you want to download your image, just click on download here and your download will start and your photo is now ready, as you can see. So yeah, so this was pretty simple and really fast and you should be good. So that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.